Hello, how's it going? This is the Dopeme wide brim visor, and a lot of people think that it's really weird looking, but I really kind of dig it. It's very unique and it really protects you from the sun. And I am here in Las Vegas, so our sun is not playing around. So in the desert or really just anywhere where you're going to be exposed in the sunlight for too long, this really comes in handy. Now, it is adjustable. It comes in a package as is, so there is no assembly acquired. And the headband is adjustable, so it's going to be a one size fits all. It's for men and women. However, it does come in many different colors. So ladies, if you want to, get, I saw like a really cute pink, a really cute purple. And when you put it on your head, you can have it up and it'll be more hat-like. Or if you want to go ahead and cover your face, it'll go on your head here and then just pull it on down, and it's covering your full face. So this is a full face visor. I have to admit, when I put it on, I feel kind of like a Darth Vader, Star Trooper type thing popping off when I wear it. But I still, like I said, I'm in the desert. I want to protect my face. I'd say it's classified as a sun visor cap. It is plastic and comes with a transparent curved tinted screen. So while it is colored, it's going to be transparent so you can see through it. Now, it blocks 90 to 100% of UVA UVB rays and 99% of the harmful UV rays that are out there that can lead to skin cancer. And it also helps to slow down the facial skin aging process that can happen when you are exposed to the sun for too long, which is always good, ladies. We want something that's going to help protect our skin and, of course, help us to keep us looking young and fabulous. Something else that I like about this sun visor is that it gives you that sun protection of a hat, but you also still have like that ventilation here up at the top, instead of when you're wearing a hat and then you kind of just feel the sweltering heat up at the top of your head, and then you don't get that flat hair too that comes with wearing a hat. It helps just like sunglasses, but it covers your entire face. And a joke that I like to say with this product is that it helps me to not make eye contact with anyone, which, hey, sometimes you just don't want to be bothered. You have this on, pretty much no one is going to bother you. They might give you some weird looks, but they're not going to bother you. Now let's see if I can give you kind of a vision, even though I need to clean this off some. So as you can see that, yeah, it's black, but when you put it up to your face, you can still see through it really easily. It's not going to block your vision or anything if you're walking around, and it's not going to block your vision crossing the street or anything like that. So there are no worries about anything like that there. It's very easy to wipe off and to clean. It will fit any size head. And now the inside is made of like a cotton, so 100% cotton. And that's like, the area for when you sweat and stuff like that, which I try not to do. But that part would be very easy to clean as well. It's very lightweight. The only thing that I would say is, like, if you are like going somewhere where you're gonna need to take it off, then it's kind of like, okay, where do I sit this type thing? You know, it's kind of bulky. It can't really fold down into anything. So like, you know, you could sit it on your head and just flip it up, but still that's kind of if you're like in a restaurant or something. So you would have to kind of find somewhere to sit it. So I would say it doesn't, you know, go to it's not good for every occasion and to go out everywhere. But if you do know that, hey, I'm going to be going out to the park for a while, or I'm going to be doing some gardening or playing some golf, hey, walking on the Vegas Strip, something like that, when you know, yeah, I'm going to be out in the sun for a good long while, then definitely you want to have something like this. Well, I mean, hey, if you want. I'm just saying this is something that I like. I've had it for, I haven't really had it for too long, actually. I just got it at the beginning of summer here. So I'd say maybe a month. And, you know, I've worn it quite a few times when I know that I'm going to be outside for quite a bit. And I like it. I really like it. I think it's cute, and it definitely serves its purpose, and I want to protect my skin out here because it's definitely a different ball game living out in the desert. Now the width of it is 6.2 inches. The height is 7 inches. There is an adjustable clip on here as well. I really didn't see too much information about the company that makes this. Definitely not a company that's in the United States. And let's see if you can see right up in here, it says that it is made in China. And there we go. That's the Dopeme wide brim full face visor.